Five, four, three, two, one. Welcome to another episode of the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to the number one cryptopreneurship channel in the world. And I'm not over-exaggerating. With us is Derek Jones, the one, the only,
hello.
the MC Hammer-looking United Coin CEO, which likes giving away money like this, like MC Hammer in the old days. Like MC Hammer in the old days, it's like this.
No, not at all. Not at all. He was giving away millions.
Well, you're giving away 1,000 units today. So it's worth, what, $830 right now?
I think we're at 75 cents right now, actually. Yeah.
How much?
75 cents. We're like $750 right now.
$750. Okay, so $750. So I told you. If it's your first time here, my name is Paul. This is Derek. Welcome to the Crypto Factor. This is a channel for cryptopreneurs, for aspiring cryptopreneurs. We do daily 60-second videos that get straight to the point so we don't waste your time. We do live streams like this one every week, answering your question, the Crypto AMA, answering your questions, no fluff and no bullshit. We do interviews with some of the most successful people in the world and most successful people and pioneers in the crypto sphere. So if you like that sort of thing, if you like crypto, if you like money, if you like knowledge, if you like white shirts, if you like cool MC Hammer glasses, go ahead, subscribe down below, hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the next video. Derek, how are you, man?
I'm doing great, man. I'm doing great. I got to find this picture of MC Hammer that you keep talking about.
All I can say is, can't touch this. No. Man, all right. We see people here. Man. I see some people here, man. I see David Ibrahimi. I see Rene Montenegro. I see Identity Block with the signs, which I love every single time. G-Rock, my man. I see Mr. Blue, Alistair Crowley. Great videos by Shaquille. Go check out those videos. There's great videos by Shaquille. He might have some videos to check out. Halal Saving. Halal, what's up, my man? Yeah, and another Sunday. How was your week, man? What's been going on? What did I miss?
My week was interesting. You know, I had a little bug there for a while, so I was dealing with that, recovered from that, doing better. I would say that what's been going on in the crypto market's been very interesting. Got a lot of phone calls about that, which was awesome. So got some good phone calls going on about it. And I would also say that we have some great partnerships that are coming up with United Coin. Had some really good conversations with some future partners and some great emails as well. So some great stuff coming.
Awesome. We're working on the BitBulls thing. We're actually getting anybody here interested in BitBulls. I'm not going to show you the BitBull video or show the project right now, but for those of you that know about BitBulls, bitbulls.io that's coming out. We're looking for people that want to be part of the project, that want to get into the project, moderators, people to promote, people that want to help out, and we will reward you. So if you're interested, head over to the BitBulls Discord channel. You can find that on the BitBulls YouTube channel. Just because I don't want to put the link up or anything because I'm lazy. Or bitbulls.io, you can actually find the link. Let me just write it down in the chat for you guys.
Yeah, it's a great looking project, Paul. You guys are doing a great job.
Thanks, man. Thanks. We're getting so much things ready. Check it out. Go to the Discord if you can, or talk to Melissa, Crypto Mama on Discord. Melissa Kirsten, I think it's here. She's in the chat here and there. Talk to her. She's in charge of the moderators and stuff. We already have her in the team. We're getting more people in the team. So if you're interested, do reach out. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty big. It's gonna be pretty big. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, new sponsor. So this live stream is actually sponsored by Coca-Cola. The Christmas. I'm just kidding. I just
That would have been great though.
That would have been awesome. Who believed me? Who believed me? So let's talk, man. So we're still in that range. We're still going to see what's going on with crypto. We actually had Gareth Soloway here yesterday, a couple of days ago, talking about it. He actually agrees with me. Different metrics, different technical analysis, but pretty much agrees with me in the range, which means that we are in a technical bear market. He's waiting for lower prices. We don't know where the bottom is going to be. He wants to see if the 31,000 holds. If not, he's looking at 20,000 to 24,000. So am I. If 30K, I'm looking at the 30K psychological. If that breaks, then I'm looking at 24, 25K as well. We're both looking at that level. We're not saying it's going to go down there. Don't exit all markets right now. We're trying to see if we can break 40,000 to the upside. Now, there's a difference between me and Gareth. Gareth believes if we're going to break potentially break 40K, go to the 45, 50K region for a dead cat bounce, and then we're going to go straight back down. Potentially, possibly, right? It's all probabilities here, not 100%. But that's what he's looking at. He's actually playing a bounce. He actually bought the bounce at 33K, and he's waiting for it to sell at the 40 to 50K level. Me personally, I'm saying that if we break 41K, I think the bear market is potentially voided as long as we go hold back above that. And we'll know this once we break, if we break 52K. If we break 52K, we have a bull market continuation. If not, then I agree 100% with Gareth. It's the same sort of thing, different indicators, different style, if you will. But it's funny, we both got those low 30s. I actually posted to people at the 41K area before we went down. I said if we break, put buy orders in at 32, 31, 33, 30, those levels. I made a post about it, made a video about it. Those who listened are happy. But yeah, keep taking profits and keep being careful and staying safe out there. What do you think? Do you still agree? Have you seen something different in the markets that you know? Because I know we agreed to this last week, but I'm not sure if you still have the same opinion.
Well, I think it's really interesting after our conversation. You know, there's a lot of news about this executive order that's coming out from Biden in regards to what they're going to do about crypto regulation. An executive order is going to be a very interesting play here, right?
Yeah.
Executive orders have implications in regards to laws being created immediately and immediate regulations coming into place. I have a little bit of a prediction there. I'm not sure if we want to go over that right now.
Yes, we do.
But in regards to the markets itself, in regards to Bitcoin, I would say that as long as we stay above 30,000, we're in a really good range, right? As I mentioned before, 35,000 was about the same price as it was last year. And so I think that we're still in a good range as long as we don't break 30,000. If we break 30,000, I think that there's going to be a little bit of a downward spiral, right? And that wouldn't be great, you know, but it would be definitely a bear market in that situation. I mean, technically, we may be in a bear market now, right? If we get above 40,000, I think that there's a really promising ability for us to be able to get up into those 50 and 60,000 ranges again, maybe even higher than that. But as I mentioned before, and even as last week I mentioned, I think a lot of this is going to have to do with what happens with this executive order and what comes out with these laws associated with cryptocurrencies.
And the stock market should be influenced a lot by these about what's going to go on with the Fed and so on, right? But even though I think it's all noise, I don't think they're going to raise interest rates. I don't think so. I think they're going to kick the can down the road until after the elections.
I think they're going to go up slightly.
You think they're going to do it? I'm going to listen to you in this case because you might have different information than I have.
Well, so part of my prediction, and it's not really a prediction. I'm not going to say it's a prediction, but from what I'm seeing and way things are kind of structured, right, in politics, from what I'm seeing, I think they're going to raise the interest rates just a little bit, right? And I think that that's going to have a lot to do with what's going on in our economy here in the United States, and then also as kind of a reaction to what's going on with this executive order and what's happening with this cryptocurrency stuff.
Yeah. Cool. All right, so let's go into the comments here real quick. Let's see if we have any comments. And see, no comments, sorry, any questions, because we wanna get straight to the chat, answer questions, and give you our opinion. This is the whole point. This live stream is about you, not about us. We like to get straight to the point. So let's have a look and see if we have any questions. By the way, before I get into that, hi to everyone. I love you all. I'm not going to read out all the comments though, just the questions, just so we can get through it faster, so we can get as many questions as we can. But I do read your comments. I read your comments and comments, and I do feel the love, and I thank you for that. So you can still comment if you want, but we'll be reading out the questions, okay? Okay. So, and yes, salute to the Factor Fam. I have to always shout out the Factor Fam. We actually own factorfam.com. I just haven't done anything with it yet. Haven't done anything with it yet, but we will. I just haven't decided yet. So if there's any volunteers out there, other than running other than working with BitBulls for the Discord and so on, and helping out with BitBulls if they want to be part of it and actually get tokens and stuff through there, if anybody wants has any good ideas or wants to run the official factorfam.com page, let me know. I'll talk to a few people. Maybe we can work something out.
Very cool.
All right, so I got one thing I do have to read out though is Mr. Blue. He's like homie. It's a cool comment. Homie. Can't touch this. Okay. And Lister Crowley says, I told you back at 35K, we flipped upwards. You said not until 41K. Was I right again? We have not broken 41K. This is not a reversal. This is a pump. There's people like make a mistake. They get this confused sometimes. A pump or a temporary uptrend or it's not a reversal. A reversal is a whole different thing. I would argue that 41K broken, I'm not going to open charts right now, wouldn't even signify a reversal. A reversal will be signified if we break 52K, right? But you can say that a short-term reversal may be potential with probabilities if we break 41K. So no, you were not right. Let's see if you're right. But
we hope he will be. I mean,
hopefully, I hope he's right. I'm rooting for him being right. I don't want to be bear. I took profits. I have powder on the sidelines, but I would rather it just keep on going up from here and that powder stays powder. I can buy like a car for my girlfriend or something. But I would rather for it to continue going up rather than it going down and using that powder to buy again, even though that would make me more money. I would much rather it go up. I would. I just like it when it goes up. I feel safer. Views on XRP future, please. So my views on XRP are the same, what they were always. And let me explain what that is. I think, wait. My potential price target for XRP is the same, right? It's just that when I was telling people not to buy XRP in the summertime because other coins would outperform it, and I'm not going to go through it again. But I think with some good news, SEC news for XRP, we're looking at a $4 to $7 price target. We're also looking at from a $4 to $7 price target technically. I can't open charts right now because I'm on Zoom and I have this setup going on, but technically, technical analysis wise, if we don't break a certain support area, I think it's 60 something cents, 61 or 61 point something.
Yeah,
if we don't break that support, right, and we stay above that, and we break above 80 cents, I would argue 78 or cents, but let's just say 80 cents is rounded up psychological. If we hold above 80 cents, technical pattern, yes, by the end of the year or two, we could see $4 to $7 very easily. With or without news. Show me the charts, I'll tell you the news. Because the charts are going to give us the news on XRP before the news the news comes out. The only way that you can get the advantage on people that know the news from the inside is with technical analysis. Why? There's a saying. There's news for the masses and news for the classes. The classes know what's going to happen to XRP before we do. The masses, we're going to hear about the news after. So the only way we can know is through technical analysis. Our best bet is technical analysis. Show me the charts. I'll tell you the news. Derek, what do you think?
I think that, as I mentioned before, XRP has already created somewhat of a strong foothold outside of the United States. And once the SEC ruling comes out, either way, XRP is going to win and it is going to go up in value. Target prices, I don't really like to do that too much, but if I were, I can see a $2 XRP. I can see it.
I'm seeing 4 to 7, dude. Yeah. 4 to 7. I mean, the last previous all-time highs was 388. Right? But let's see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
You want to make a bet between
us? I think with regulation, the price is going to be kept down, though, because there's going to be so much movement with it. It's going to be depressed down by a lot of large institutions because they're going to have strong holdings. You know, and they're not going to really want that price to be too volatile, number one. And then at the same time, they're going to be using it for transactions. So they don't want the prices to be high either. So it's a couple of different.
So wait, you think the all-time high for XRP will be $2?
No, I don't want to say that's going to be the all-time high. I'm saying that we'll see that very quickly after the decision.
Got you. Okay. I was about to make you a bet.
All
right. David Connolly says, how's your health, Paul? My health is okay. I'm doing well. As long as I'm taking my pills every day, I have very little side effects. As much as Safe Moon Army, or not all of it, but a lot of them are wishing me to die from cancer. Even today I had a really bad comment. That's fine. Sorry to keep you disappointed there, but I am going to be fine as long as the pills are working. And even if the pills stop working, there is solutions, very hard ones though, but I'm going to make it. And nothing's going to happen to me, not for the next few years anyway. I'm doing okay. Inshallah, I'll be fine.
Very strong. That's what I'm talking about, brother.
Right.
Yeah, man. Stay strong, man. You're good to go, bro. You have the strongest will I've seen of many people, sir.
Thanks, man. Thanks. So I get a lot of hate from the Safe Moon Army. A lot of them, they really hate me with a passion. And the reason is, this is the reason, guys, okay? I predicted the top on Safe Moon. I told everyone to get out. And Safe Moon since then went down 97%. Meanwhile, I made a few videos about how it's based on a scam code, which it is, right? There's a lot of things that weren't good with Safe Moon, which I mentioned. And people don't want to hear that. And when I got into Trade the Hype on version 2, I said it was just for the hype and it's just a trade. But people don't like that. They're very passionate. So I had a lot of people wishing I died from cancer. A lot of people saying, I hope you lose your fight with cancer. A lot of people, even today, somebody was trolling my comments, like different comments, different videos. And I'm like, hey, what's your problem, by the way? He's like, well, ever since you did the Safe Moon thing. I'm like, oh, okay, that explains it. And his answer was, well, at least we're not autistic and we don't have cancer.
God bless you.
So yeah, man, fuck him. Like, I'm sorry. Now, I did make a video about this, and a lot of people from the Safe Moon community reached out to me and said, no, that wasn't right. We hate people like this too. They're not part of the Safe Moon community, and it's not everybody. Other people try to defend it just because of a few bad apples and whatever. Yeah, but you have to understand that when I say that the Safe Moon Army is the most toxic army community in the world, and they're like, oh, how do you know there's just a couple of people? No, it's not just a couple of people. Let's say you have 100% of people, right, in Safe Moon, okay? Percentage-wise, from 100 people, more people are toxic than other communities. Why? I made fun of the XRP army and XRP a lot in the beginning because I got hate for that, obviously, because I called the top. I told them not to buy it. People hate me. No one wished me to die of cancer and get cancer, dude, which I have. do you know what I mean? And there wasn't that much hate either, right? But percentage-wise, there's a lot of toxic people in Safe Moon. There's a lot of broke, poor people in Safe Moon. That's probably why, because it's the only chance that we're all in Safe Moon. I was telling them, what did I say? I said diversify, at least diversify. That's why people want me to die of cancer. Right? And at the same time, I had a couple of YouTubers come out and make response videos to my videos, Derek, and telling, yeah, Paul, yeah, I was right. But and fine, they did defend me. Some of them were really cool. But again, they tell me, you're not right about this, you're not right about that, you don't know about this, which I do know about, right? And I tell them, okay, tell you what, invite me to your show, come to my show, and let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. Give me all these little responses that you always give. The use case of Safe Moon is this, the utility is this. Come debate me. If you have balls, excuse me for my language here, but if you have balls, defend your project. Debate me. No one's debating me. Bring me to your channel, come to my channel, and let's talk. Let's talk. Let me explain to you why I think it's based on a scam code. Let me show you why let me show you why your VRIN score is so bad and doesn't make sense. You probably don't even know what that is. Most of you out there. Let me show you. Let me teach you. Let me show you my outlook on things. Oh. It's not a bad thing. Debate me, right? And if I'm proven wrong, I'll admit it. Or we won't find a conclusion. We'll just say, okay, I don't agree with you. We can agree to disagree, but now at least people can make up their minds, right? I have 26,500 people on this channel growing. It's good for Safe Moon. I'll go on any other channel. Debate me. And all you keyboard warriors, because the one that tell me not to buy. Suddenly, there's other people that are ninjas that are out there. They think they can come kick my ass. I'll kick your ass with cancer, bro. Like, what do you? This is, I'm not 14 like you are. Are you kidding me? Like, what is this? Like, well,
Paul
this
is not a small person.
I am not a small. Yeah, you've seen. I'm an ex-bodyguard. I had my own nightclub. I was a bouncer. Like, well, do you really think? Do you think I really walk around in my sort of, shall I say, level?
Paul, how tall are you? How tall are you, Paul?
I'm at 188 almost. Right? Now, not only that, I have a pit bull. But other than that, like, it's not even my point. You know what Mike Tyson said? I think I can't remember the exact phrase, but I think it was, the internet made people a whole lot of disrespectful. No, what was it? I gotta find it, man. It was really amazing. Wait, give me a second. I'm sorry, but I gotta read this out because I love Mike Tyson. I used to box, by the way. So Mike Tyson said it best. Let me go to my profile here real quick. Give me a second.
Yeah, I boxed in college. That was pretty
It's cool, man. Where is it? Right here. Social media made you all way too comfortable with disrespecting people and not getting punched in the face for it. And it doesn't matter. And it really, it's true. It's true. Yeah?
That's a good one, Mike.
It's an excellent one. And you know what? Let's say you can kick my ass. Sure, you'll still get. First of all, if you could kick my ass, you wouldn't come confront me because I said that Safe Moon is the top and to get out or call it a shitcoin. That would be stupid. That's babyish. So you're probably underage, so you can't do shit. But even if you could, you'd still get punched. It doesn't matter if you beat me up after. We'd still get a brawl over it. Like, what are you talking about, man? Grow up, shit. Fucking hell. Anyway. So yeah, I'm a bit agitated, but not because I'm mad because I came from cancer. No. It's because this mentality that they have, they don't realize that they will become nothing in their life. They'll never be successful. They'll never be successful. And even if they are, even if they might make money, but they'll never be successful. And even if they are, they'll be fucking miserable. And I'm trying to help them. And I made a video about it. It's like, listen, change this attitude. Forget me. I'll die tomorrow. Forget me. Change that attitude. You are not going to get far in life with that toxic piece of shit, loser attitude. You just won't. You're not going to make it. Even if you make $1 million, you'll lose it. You'll never make it, believe me. Believe me, you won't.
Gotta be positive, man. Gotta be positive. This energy is too real, man. This energy in this life is way too real.
Anyway.
Gotta be positive.
Pump the likes just to make me feel better, man. Like this video to make me feel better. That's all I'm saying. Like the video. Doesn't matter if you agree or not. Just like this video to make me feel better. All right. Views in XRP future, please. We just gave it. Hello, Paul. How are you? Was waiting for... Oh, okay. I'm here, Halal. Thank you very, very much. How's your health? Pump them likes. Yes, I agree. Okay, love you, man. Who do you follow the most on YouTube regarding crypto? Andreas Antonopoulos. Easy answer.
For sure.
Andreas Antonopoulos. Easy answer. That's not to say I don't watch other YouTubers. I watch Alessio Rastani. I actually love his. I actually learned technical analysis from his videos. He does the Elliott wave theory, which is not my specialty, but I love his videos. I confirm my technical analysis with his technical analysis. I also watch Data Dash. I watch BitBoy Crypto, of course, because I'm around the blockchain 2 or 3 times a month. And yeah, it's I watch a few more people. Crypto Stash for NFTs, Satoshi, quite a few people. How about you, man? Who, other than the Crypto Factor, which is your #1 best channel ever, Derek? Who else do you follow on YouTube for crypto?
You know, I would love to throw a bunch of names out there, man, but I am working. Let's be absolutely honest.
All right, fine.
This is literally one of the only times that I really am not working is when I spend time with you, man. I'm on the Elon Musk movement right now.
Cool. Harry ML has a good question for you. Make me look like I'm a schmuck. I'm just working. I don't have time to read all these YouTubers. Paul has all the. I don't know what the fuck Paul's doing. Man. Where he gets the time from.
We have different things, dude. We're just doing different things.
I listen to them while I'm working out in the morning. I'll listen to them while I'm having my coffee, like watching the charts. Like I do take an hour in the morning to do my trades, listen to a couple of videos, verify my shit, see if they agree. I got shit to talk about on live streams. I'm not working.
That is working. I didn't say you were. I didn't say you were.
You implied it.
You fighting yourself. You are who you're looking for.
Hey, man. Derek, you can't touch this. ML says, what do you recommend someone that has 500 units of United Coin do? Sell or hodl? Sell! Sell that shit right now because he pissed me off.
Don't do it.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Don't do it. Don't do it. So I can't. I'm not going to tell you to buy or sell.
Wait. I gotta say something. I have United Coin. I'm not selling. I'm holding. I might sell some in the future, but I'm holding most of it. Now you can go ahead.
Okay, so of course I have some units and I'm holding also. Also, there's going to be some partnerships and some information that are going to be coming out probably within the next month or so that if you sold now, you'd probably be a little upset.
Yeah. Don't tell them that you're going to listen. Don't tell them that you're going to listen to Dex. Just don't tell them that. That's supposed to be like that was something you told me to trust.
Finance and Ethereum somewhere within the next month or so. Yeah, no, we wouldn't say that.
Yeah, don't tell them. You can tell by Derek's face he didn't want to say that. He's like, don't tell him. Like, we're having a discussion before the video here. Now he's trying to act cool. That was because you told me I'm not working.
Off the shoulders, man.
They're releasing on the DEX pretty soon. I don't know when, but that's all I know is that he told me he's going to release on the DEX. I'm telling you right now, I don't care. He just said I don't know. I don't work in the morning, so there you go.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you did.
I said I'm working. Look at the tape. Check the tape.
It's a tape.
Check the receipt.
A tape.
Check
really? Let me check the tape. So it was old school retro shit, man. Like whoa, tape. Let me check the tape. Let me wind it back, man.
Yeah, that just showed my age, yo. Check the tape.
Check the tape. I gotta turn this off. It's getting hot in here, laughing so much, man. All right. United Coin is an exchange and a cryptocurrency? Question mark.
Yes, we are an exchange and we also have our own cryptocurrency. So you can almost think of us. See, I would like to say it's almost like BNB on Binance because we also have our own blockchain. And so that gives you a lot of insight into it. But we also operate on other blockchains. So that's why you'll see us, as Paul said, on DEXs pretty soon.
Alistair Crowley says, look up Cosas Verdes 2 on YouTube for the best technical analysis. Paul is a hype man. He provides hype and attention. He is a marketing guy. And to that I have to say, yes, that is true. I am a marketing guy. I'm literally a hype man because that's what I used to do. I used to be an MC and hype people. I also used to teach technical analysis in the Forex industry, by the way. Many people don't know that, do they?
Gotta know your history, man.
Many people don't know that. They think I learned it from YouTube.
Yep.
I learned technical analysis from YouTube. No, I was in technical TA before I was into crypto. Just saying.
Yeah, same here, buddy. Yeah,
half of those books over there are on TA.
Technical analysis existed.
But the truth is, I'm more of a marketing guy. Yes, 100%.
You're very good at it.
Even my public speaking, like my keynote speaking, is on marketing, right? Like blockchain marketing. So,
yeah.
Which countries do you think will make Bitcoin legal tender like El Salvador did? Ooh, this one's for you, man. This one's for you.
Ooh.
That's a good question.
That's a really good question.
Paraguay,
so you have El Salvador,
Uruguay,
you know, Japan,
Paraguay, anything Uruguay, anything Uruguay.
You know, I think that you might have the United States make it legal tender.
You really think so?
You understand regulating it makes it almost legal tender in the United States.
Yes, but will they actually call it legal tender? The crypto regulations might not be Bitcoin regulation.
Right. This is true, but I'm pretty sure this executive order is going to have regulation on all crypto, including Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP.
Is that outside information?
Outsider, inside, in between. I can just tell you, most likely, this is what's happening, right?
Okay.
And so, with that being said, let's look at other countries, right? I saw something very interesting the other day talking about Turkey. If Turkey made Bitcoin legal tender, what would be the ramifications of that? And it would be very interesting because it wouldn't be necessarily terrible for that region of the world, right? They would have access to a banking system that cannot be sanctioned, right? We're talking about a lot of countries that are dealing with sanctions that would then be able to move funds. Very interesting. Very interesting.
So I'm going to put you to the spot right now because I'm going to make a little clip of this video. Because your father, we've said it here before, your father is a former state senator.
Yes.
And your uncle is in the Ministry of Defense.
Well, he used to work in the Department of Defense. He's retired.
Department of Defense, sorry. Okay. So you saying that you're pretty sure it's going to become legal tender. How sure?
Now, legal tender, I'm not, no, not legal tender, that it's going to be regulated.
Okay. But that means.
And what is the difference between regulation and legal tendering? What's the difference? On a day-to-day spending, nothing. Zero. It's just two different words for the same thing.
Okay. This is becoming a clip. I'm just saying, this is becoming a clip. I'm going to have a standalone clip. My girlfriend just shouted at my dog. Something happened. Okay. I just heard her. She's like, telos, which means end. All right, that's interesting. When am I interviewing your dad, by the way? He's supposed to come to the channel. What's up with that, man?
Oh, yeah. He was dealing with legal stuff, man. He's a lawyer,
Okay. But we are going to have him on the channel still.
Oh, absolutely. Right. Absolutely. He's been waiting for it.
Okay, cool.
But he's been working while waiting for it.
Got you. Okay. Yeah, not like me, which I'm not working, I just
no one has said that at all, Paul. This is you're fight. This is you're talking to yourself on that one. Everyone thinks you work all day, every day. How are you here?
Guys, okay, let's put this to a vote. Okay, everyone in the chat right now, put 1 if you think Derek said I don't work at all, and he works and I don't work. 2, if you think that he didn't say that at all, and and it's just in my figment of my imagination. Because now he's telling me I'm imagining shit. Not only did it say I'm not working at all. So 1, I don't work at all. I'm a bum. Number 2, I'm senile. That's what you just said. Okay? All right. Did you just mute yourself so you can laugh? Are you serious? Derek just muted his microphone.
Ooh, no, I'm laughing. Yeah, that's just my laugh. It was silent for a second.
Oh, you have a silent laugh?
That's how deep it is. That's how deep it is, right?
Okay. They're one of those silent
hilarious.
laughs. Okay. All right, cool. All right. Let's see. Bitcoin is a rug pull. There is at least 5x more than you know about. It just magically exists to one day wipe up the price to 0 10 times over. Don't believe? Then who created Bitcoin? Well, I'll wait. So you're trying to say that Bitcoin is waiting to rug pull for 13 years? Is that what you're trying to say here, Alistair or Alistair or whatever?
So when he says that there's more Bitcoin than you,
this is the same guy. This is the same guy that called me a hype man, and I don't know about technical analysis, by the way. That's okay.
Well, let me give you something here. When they're talking about there being more Bitcoin than there actually is, when you talk about derivatives and all that other stuff, there technically is, right?
Yeah, now.
Yeah, people are trading way more Bitcoin than there actually is.
But that's with everything.
21 million has not been printed, and there's way more than that actually being traded.
True.
Right? They're creating derivatives, options, like all types of stuff, right? So technically, yeah, that's true. But to rug pull, see, what's so interesting about that, and I mean, from my perspective, I've always thought to myself, like, how could you even do the rug pull now? right?
Yeah, you
How do you
can't.
do a rug pull when there's governments that have created floor prices,
No,
right?
well, wait a
Like,
second. How do you do a rug pull? How do you pull the liquidity out of Bitcoin? So how do you do a rug pull
but
when you
how do
don't
you do
when you
that?
don't have when it's not even mined yet? It's like, well, this guy's just talking out of his ass. How can you do? Explain to me what a rug pull is. How do you do a rug pull? Okay, because
A
when you
rug
do a
pull is
rug
when
pull, you pull out the liquidity. Let's say, okay,
correct,
I put Ethereum and I put USDT, right? I do an
right,
equal amounts. And as people are
right,
buying whatever, I pull out the Ethereum and I rug pull and it goes down. How the
right.
hell, what are you talking about? This is why I don't think people are educated enough. How can you throw out terminology like that and say Bitcoin's going to do a rug pull? If you don't believe me, who is Satoshi Nakamoto? I'll wait. Who gives a fuck who Satoshi Nakamoto is?
I mean, I kind of have a good idea, but yeah.
It's beside the point.
but even with that, like they wouldn't do a rug pull. So
Right. Anyway, is OK Coin any good? I don't know what OK Coin is.
are they talking about? Okay.
Oh, OK Coin. I don't know what that is. I know what KuCoin is. I don't know what OK Coin is. How is United Coin related to Bitmart?
Oh, we're traded on Bitmart.
That was like a one-word answer, man. Okay, but okay. Do you need a Bitmart account to get a United Coin? That's a good one.
So you can either create a United Coin account on unitedcoin.org and you can get units that way, or you can go on bitmart.com and you can create an account there. You can buy units there as well.
Tricky BJJ says, "Hey Paul, happy Sunday from Ontario and my retirement. This guy made a lot of money from listening to my advice, so he's saying hi. How you doing, man? I just wanted to show off. I just want to flex. I just want to flex."
Ontario, Canada, man. I have some friends that are in Canada, man.
Yeah, me too.
Shout out to Chris.
Good people.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen the South Park episode when I think it's a new one where Randy? Oh, no, it's like the two Canadians they make fun of with the heads that go like this, that they talk like this, and they go to the airport and they say how, and they have the restrictions, they can't fly out. It's like, how are we supposed to get home, eh? And then the woman's like looking at them like this, like, oh my God, you're Canadian. Okay, 1 second, let's just call Joe. We have a Canadian here. It's okay, I'll take care of it. He comes, and there's like a translation. He starts translating American into English. And I just thought it was hilarious.
South Park is funny, man. They have some great stuff.
They have some fun stuff. They have some
really
fun
crazy stuff too, man. But that's what they
I like
do.
South Park.
They're edgy. Yeah.
And I do like Canadians. I think they're some of the most polite people in the world.
Who, Canadians?
Yeah, they're like some of the
Oh, yeah,
coolest people.
My brother-in-law's Canadian, man. They're cool people.
They are the cool people. I have some friends that are from there too.
Shout out to Brett.
Mr. Blue, last year I took profits along the way but didn't sell at the top, so I'm stuck with a large bag. I put 80% of my holdings into Celsius to earn interest for now. Do you have any other suggestion? Well, if you took profits along the way, you also have powder, right? You have powder right now that you can wait on the sidelines, wait to see what happens and buy.
Yeah,
so,
and if you have, and like you said, if you're using Celsius or some other yield aggregators, you know what I'm saying, or some other yield creators, yield developers, and then at the same time, I would say also for if you have like Nexo, I don't know if you guys are using Nexo, that's also a good one too.
Just a Nova Me says, I have 1,000 pounds flat on my exchange. What should I buy? That's very easy. Just the Crypto Factor book right there. The Crypto Factor book right there. That's what. Wait. The Crypto Factor book right there. I'm just kidding. 1,000 pounds.
Oh my God.
I wouldn't buy anything right now. I'd wait to see if we break 40K to the upside, confirm the close and hold above it. If you want to be a little bit more conservative, maybe 48,000, 52,000 hold above that for a continuation of the bull run. Or you could wait and see if we drop, then buy. Or the third thing you can do is DCA dollar cost average, which means you could put 200 pounds a week or 200 pounds a month, depending on your time frame, and just slowly accumulate cryptocurrency. And at this instance, right now, because we don't know if we're bull or bear, I don't recommend anything else rather than Bitcoin or Ethereum right now. And I'm not saying And the reason I'm saying this is we don't know what's going to happen yet. Now, that's just my personal opinion. I personally wouldn't buy anything except Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. If we're bullish and we confirm bullish, I would look into other cryptocurrencies, other altcoins, United Coin, and so on. But right now, I would just go Bitcoin or Ethereum. I don't know if Derek has a different opinion. I'm just being very honest. I know he probably hates me right now, but I'm being very honest here.
I really like your honesty. It's a good place to be. If I had $1,000 fiat, this is the exact thing I would do. I would try and get a Circle account. I would get that Circle account, and then I would get some USDC. I'd then get an EXO account. I put that USDC in an interest-bearing account, make like 10 to 12% a year on it. Then I would go and start reading some books. I would start reading up on on Bitcoin. I would read up on Ethereum and look at their use cases and understand why it's important just to have them in your portfolio. Maybe buy a couple $100 of that after you've done some research. Guess what? You've made some money over that month while your money was sitting. Okay. Then at that point, you're educated. Now you can start making some better decisions with some other investments. You've already made some money and you're winning. That's how it started.
You know, the irony is that's the kind of answers I used to give in my videos, and people used to hate it.
Yeah.
but that is the truth. That's why I started with a book, and I was going to go into but then I'm like, you know what?
If I was talking to younger Derek, that's exactly what I would say to him.
I don't know, £1,000, getting €100 a year, if that.
Well, the reason why I say do it that way is because two things happen when you do this. Two things happen when you go through that process, right? You go through that exchange process of figuring out that there's other exchanges besides the one that you're on. Number two, you also figure out how Nexo works, and you start looking at, okay, there's a couple of different cryptocurrencies here that I can start making some money on. And then the third thing that happens is you start actually educating yourself while you're making money instead of having money inside that exchange just sitting there. And whether you know it or not, if it's not making money, it's losing money because of interest.
Okay. So that's why I think Derek won. I think Derek here won that answer. I think that's a much better answer. All right. Shariezkan says, sir, will Bitcoin dump to 20,000, 28,000, or 25,000? We don't know this, but if we break 30,000, pretty much, we have to see. Yeah. We'll see if it can hold above 40. If it doesn't go above 40K, yes, I think it will, but we'll see.
I think it'll be tough if we break 30.
Crypto King says, follow Richard Hart when he is the best crypto at telling the bold-faced truth. I love Richard Hart. He's been on this channel, 3 or 4 times on my channel so far. We actually talk a little bit now and then. And I'm actually I actually like and listen to Richard Hart a lot. I actually forgot to mention him earlier on. I do listen to Richard Hart, actually.
Cool.
How to enter giveaway. Oh! Well, okay, how many likes do we have? We have 32 likes. We have 40 viewers. As soon as we get 50 likes, we're going to start doing the giveaway. So give this video a like, and then remind me to tell people to like this video. So as soon as we get to 50 likes, we'll do the first giveaway. Unless it takes too long to get to 50 likes, and I'll just do the giveaway anyway. But let's try and get to 50 likes anyway. G-Rock says, I think Derek should be VP of the Factor Fam. People are pointing you already, man. What's up with this, man?
VP?
VP, Vice President of the Factor Fam.
That's awesome, man. But what do I have? Is there any responsibilities? I don't know.
Well, you have to work hard like we all do. Watch YouTube videos all day. I'm just kidding. What would a VP of the Factor Fam do?
What would that even do? What would I do?
Well, other than being cool, which you are naturally, other than coming to the shows, which you are anyway, other than schooling people, which you are effectively. Yes. I don't know. What could you do? Maybe so when the Factor Fam website gets released, depending on where it is, we'll appoint Derek as the VP of Factor Fam. I think that'll be pretty cool.
VP of the Factor Fam.
Would you be the VP of a Factor Fam?
Somebody give me like a
Halal Saving. Halal Saving says VP of the Factor Fam.
Nice.
I
Do
would
they
be
know that I'm
honored
in
if
the
you were
book,
the
The
VP
Crypto
of.
Factor?
Sorry?
Do they know that I'm in the book, The Crypto Factor?
No, I don't really talk about my book, but here it is. Let me just show you on screen real quick. If you look at the screen right now, you'll see the graphic. You'll see Derek's name. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5th, you'll see Derek L. Jones.
Number
That
5th?
is
Yes.
Derek.
That's me.
That is him. So yeah, he's in the Crypto Factor, VP of the Factor fam. I would be honored, by the way.
Man, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. Before I accept, though, I have to know what I'm doing.
You wouldn't accept before? So
I will accept it with the knowledge that I'm pretty sure that whatever you ask me to do, I'll be able to.
okay. So we'll talk about it when I have it up and running properly. But the Factor fam right now are just subscribers, people that are in the Factor fam here. All you have to do to be in the Factor fam right now is hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification button, and that's it. You are in the Factor fam. Yeah.
Nice.
47 likes, 3 more with 250. That was fast.
We could do some really nice stuff with this whole Factor fam.
We could.
We really could. We should talk about it.
We
Actually, getting me a little excited, guys. Thanks.
Sir, do you... Okay, Seriaz Khan is asking something very important, actually.
Yeah.
Do you official paid group of Bitcoin signals? If yes, how can we join? I do not have any paid groups whatsoever. Any messages you see in YouTube saying WhatsApp, message me, call me, date me, whatever. There is no, all my information is for free. The only thing you can do, if you want, is under my YouTube channel, there's a join button next to the subscribe button. You can become a member to support the Crypto Factor. If you want to do that, it's a couple of dollars a month just for support. And there's also a level where you get like an extra video or two or member only post. But again, most of my knowledge I give out for free. And you know, that's just as a support thing. I do not have a paid group. I will never have a paid group. I will never shill or anything. No, that is not the Crypto Factor. That is not the Factor fam. Ever.
Yes. You know, I'm just going to make a quick suggestion here, and other people can use this too. You know, you could get a Google Voice or WhatsApp phone number, and you could take tips in units.
Oh, you mean for me?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I don't want to charge. I don't want to charge for information.
Not charging. No, not charging. You know, just take tips.
Just take tips in United Coin?
Yeah, you could take tips in units. If you just put up your WhatsApp or your Google Voice phone number.
I don't want to. You can. I don't want to take tips though. In general, I don't want to take tips. I want to take super chats.
Oh,
if anyone does a super chat, and this question will go to the top.
Nice.
I think it's cool. But what we can do is think of a way how we can interact this or integrate this in the Factor fam. Maybe we can do something with the United Coin and the Crypto Factor and think of something really, really cool. And maybe we can do like the tips for charity or some shit.
Oh, yeah, we could.
Let's think about it. Let's think about it after the call. One of these days. Yeah. Angela Kennedy, Avalanche or Solana? Both.
Both. Just to let you know, see, the thing is that Avalanche is going to end up being a lot easier for people to migrate to. Yeah. That's what's going to end up happening. But Solana has, and again, I think I've said this every episode so far now. I know that they've got some really good partnerships that are going to keep them in a very strong position in regards to their blockchain accessibility for a very long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna give away. We have 52 likes. We're gonna give away. Do the riddle, but I just want to do 2 more comments. All right. One is Bobby Steele's poll. I'll tell you now, and I'll tell you later. Biogenic healing is real. Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it. But I'm gonna show this comment that's been hidden here because it's been hidden. Because it says, Abdul Q says, Paul, you completely lost your credibility. You seem to be promoting those shitty. What am I promoting that's shitty? Tell me one thing that I'm promoting on my channel that is shitty. I promote nothing that is shitty. And if it's a review and it's a sponsored review, I'm one of the only YouTubers that discloses it in text. I disclose it verbally, and I'm the only one that says bad things about reviews. Like I do reviews for some different cryptocurrencies sometimes, and I'll see something I don't like or a red flag, and I will say, hey, this is a red flag here, here, and here. So they pay me for a review, expecting me to say good shit, and if it's got some red flags, I'm like, hey, but 1 second, make sure you check this out and this out and this. I'm the only one of the only one, if any, out there that does this shit. Nobody says it's a sponsored video, and if they do, no one says the bad things about it. They just say, do your own research. No, I'm actually literally doing the research and telling you, no, be careful, right here is a red flag.
Yeah.
And companies know this, so they don't really reach out to me so much for reviews. And if they make the mistake and they reach out for me for a review, I'm telling them, hey, I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Like, yeah, sure, give your honest opinion. And they don't realize that I'll look into that shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
So So Bobby Steels, I'm sorry, Abdul Q, I'm showing your message. It was hitting. I could have ignored you, but I challenge you. I literally challenge you to tell me one shitcoin I promote. All right. Crypto Benz, good to see you all live again. Oh, cool. Thank you, man. Any future in this coin? What coin? Crypto Benz retracted the message. Abdul Paul, you completely lost your credit. Oh, that's the one I just read. Sorry. All right. Oh no, it's changed. It's different now. Paul, you completely lost your credibility for promoting shitty coins without mentioning that they are sponsoring the video. It's really a successful path. Who the fuck is sponsoring this video? Who the fuck did I ever make a... Tell me one project that I did without mentioning it. See, there you go again. He's talking shit. Tell me one... Show me, I challenge you, one video that I'm promoting a coin and not saying it's sponsored. Give me one. And don't talk about my credibility when you don't have any. Crypto Benz. The internet made people comfortable with throwing insults without having the face to cause. Yeah, exactly, man. That's what we were talking about before. Yep. Let me go up a little bit. I lost my path. Oh, let's do the giveaway. Let's do a giveaway.
Oh, we're on it?
Yeah. So, in order to win 500 units, right? Which is United Coin, which is not sponsoring this video. Derek is my friend. We work together, and I brought him here, and he does it, and he's giving away units. He's not sponsoring this video. He's not giving me money. I'm not getting money from this. Zero, nothing, zilch. I'm not even asking for anything.
This is true.
Right? So, in order to win 500 units, you have to answer a riddle. It's a very easy one. Who in the chat is talking out his ass? No, okay, stop. Okay, I'll stop. All right, Derek.
Wow.
Derek, let's do a riddle, man. Let's do a riddle and give away some money. Come on.
All right, this is going to be a little bit longer if you've seen the other ones before.
Right.
And it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but I just want to give it to you guys and you're going to understand. You measure my life in hours, and I serve you by expiring. I'm quick when I'm thin and slow when I'm fat. The wind is my enemy. What am I?
Say it again.
You measure my life in hours, and I serve you by expiring. I'm quick when I'm thin and slow when I'm fat. The wind is my enemy. What am I?
I think I have it, but it might be rude. Candle. Byte says candle.
Wow, that was really effing fast. Yes,
that was it. Congratulations, Byte!
Woo!
That was fast as shit, bro.
Really
Candle.
Fast.
I
thought that was the hardest one so far. Holy moly!
All right.
Wow.
So Byte, answer. Listen.
Man, I'm gonna have to ask somebody else for some riddles, man.
Let's send him 500 units, man. That's okay. 500 units. Let's send it to him. So Byte, all you have to do is write me your WhatsApp number in the chat, followed by FUCK. The reason you write F-U-C-K, which spells fuck, is so that the chat will be hidden. So no one can see your number except us. So, except me, basically. So write your WhatsApp number followed by F-U-C-K. And sorry about swearing lately, but I watch Eddie Murphy a lot again. I you know, sometimes when I have my free time, and I think it's funny as hell.
Eddie Murphy. That man has been hilarious for decades.
He is amazing, dude. He's amazing. He's not, for me, he's the number one comedian in the world.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
After Woody Allen. Just kidding. It's Eddie Murphy's number one.
Like, I had nothing to
All right,
say.
I have his number. Let me send it to you on your WhatsApp, man. That was fast. Good. Let me just send this to you, man. Give me a second. Let me just take a picture of his number here. I think it's the fastest and easiest way to do this.
Okay. Man. That was way too fast.
Wait a
I'm
minute.
going to have to find another source.
Why did you just retract your message? Byte just retracted his phone number. Why would you retract your phone number? Did you spell it wrong? All right, we have to wait for him to write it down again.
Okay.
He probably either wrote it wrong or he retracted it for some strange reason. Byte, write down your number followed by F-U-C-K again.
Please and thank you.
All right. Yes, I typed it wrong. Well, type it correctly. Don't tell me you typed it wrong, man. We're on a time schedule here, man. People waiting for comments to be answered. My girlfriend wants to watch a movie. There you go. All right.
What movie are you guys going to watch?
I don't know. I think it was Jack Reaper 2 or something like that. And then,
Jack Reacher 2?
Yeah, that one. We watched number 1 when my nephew was here. And we're going to watch number 2 and then probably watch Survivor after that. It's a Sunday. I have to watch this.
Jack Reacher was nice, man. That's some good stuff.
All right, so I sent you his number. So send him some units. Yeah, I can see it, Byte. So send him some units while I answer him some questions while you do that. And Byte, when you get the first 10 units, tell us that you got them so that we can send the rest. We just want to do a one test to make sure we have the right number. And let me find... All right, here we are. Also, Uniswap going to make a comeback when Ethereum 2.0 comes out or close to it and hype builds up around it and people realize how stupid they are for letting go of Ethereum. Yes, Uniswap should come back. Any thoughts on Meta Hero? None. Meta Hero, I think I bought some, but I don't have any right now. Have you heard of Telcoin? Think it's a bullish long-term hold? I think I've heard of it. I don't know enough about it to answer. What do I think about Cadena? When I was working for Coin Metro as the head of marketing, we were one of the first people that we did the marketing for Cadena. We did their release. And back then it was time to buy it. Right now I have no opinion on it. But it was when I was telling you about it back then and making videos about it on 2 channels, by the way, was a time to buy it. And then you will have made massive profits since then. Right now I have no opinion on it. Maybe, Derek, do you have any opinion on it?
I actually was talking about Cadena with a friend of mine, Jacob, and we were looking at some of the research on Cadena and what they're doing with their actual blockchain. They have some really good stuff they're doing. Okay, what they're doing with the ZK snarks, Schnorr signatures. That's a lot of the stuff that when we were first getting into blockchain that we were looking at as real solutions for what's going on out here in regards to scalability. And so they might be getting it right. And if they are, it'll always be great to have some of that.
Awesome. Byte is asking, Guys, I'm new. Are you going to send units to my phone number? I'm kind of new to crypto. I hope that, yeah. As soon as you get a message with 10 bytes and you tell us that you got it in the chat, we'll send you another 500, followed with some videos so you can watch, so you can see exactly how you can use it. The cool thing about United Coin is that your phone number is your wallet.
Make sure you hold on to your PIN code.
Yeah, make sure you hold on to your PIN code. Otherwise, you will lose it and we can't do anything about it. So
30 seconds or so here. You let us know if you received that first message with the 10 units in it, sir. Or ma'am.
Harry ML says, he's a byte, so he's new. Harry ML says, I think you should check out Glimmer Coin or Polkadot. Probably, but right now, I'd be watching Polkadot over ecosystem coins for any ecosystem, actually. I'd be watching main layer one tokens, layer one coins, blockchains, and the top 20. Anyone watching, hit the like and subscribe. Yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. So we're gonna give away more. We're gonna give away more money. We're gonna give away more units, by the way. So keep watching. We're gonna be giving away more units. Hit that like button, and we're giving me more away. We have some voting here, and it's a tie between it's pretty much a tie between people thinking that you called me lazy and not working at all and never got out of my bed and being senile. So either way, I like the way I just add something onto that every single time.
I hear you every time, yeah.
Wissam Gusani, thank you for the, okay, thank you for, I appreciate you. Let's see this. How did the Bobby Crypto Granny, how did Upshod get away from rug pulling a lot of people? Don't know what Upshod is. But I'm going to be on your show, so we can talk. So maybe Derek's going to be on your show too. By the way, did you message him? We could probably ask Derek about that. Melissa Kristen, which, by the way, let me just do this real quick. Let me make you add moderator. So Melissa Kristen is actually working with us right now. She's part of the team, the Bitbulls.io team. She reached out, and she is now a manager. And we're going to figure out the exact title and everything, but she is awesome. She has so much knowledge. I love her already. She's really cool.
Great. That's really great.
So yeah, awesome. So yeah, if anybody wants to be part of the Bitbulls movement and wants some free NFTs or currency or anything like that, well, not currency, but some free shit, basically, and wants to help us promote Bitbulls, please reach out to Melissa, and we can talk to her. She says hi to me and Derek, by the way. She says hi to me and you.
Hi. Did our Bytes guy, Bytes person?
Let me check the Bytes guy. Let me check. Where is he? He has not messaged us again. Byte, did you get a message on your phone? You gotta tell us, man. You gotta tell us so we can. Oh, wait. Okay, I got it, Paul. So do I reply to the text to change my PIN? Yup. Yeah, you could do that. But since now we know that this is your wallet, we're going to send you another 500 units.
Correct.
So Derek's going to send you another 500 units right now. And I'm going to while I continue answering questions here. Harry ML, are more exchanges going to list United Coin? Yes, they are, as far as I know. And
yes,
you can see Derek
great
smiling.
Question. We're going to be listing on some dexes soon. It's going to be wonderful. And we're also going to be doing some things on our own exchange so that we can fix some of the things that happen with Bitmart, and we can kind of just fix it ourselves. So we're still working on that. Thank you very much for your feedback. We're going to make sure that we take care of that for you.
Harry ML, how does crypto staking work? Well, okay, you can imagine staking like, okay, Bitcoin as proof of work. So you get paid to verify transactions on the blockchain. Now, crypto staking, you do kind of like the same thing, but by just holding your coins, it's kind of like proof of work. So instead of like, so you're verifying transactions, or you're not even that. You're how can I put the Derek? Help me out here. How can I explain crypto staking simply?
So technically, What you do is you lock your cryptocurrency inside of a wallet address. When you lock your cryptocurrency there, it's used as a method of verifying transactions by you actually providing cryptocurrency, right? You can almost think of it in a sense of like before cryptocurrency, this was called like almost like an escrow or collateral, right? So you're almost kind of like collateralizing the transactions and then getting paid the fees associated with the transaction itself by collateralizing them. A lot of the way that a lot of proof of stake works is that whoever has the most coins for that transaction usually is the person who receives the fee for that. And so that's pretty much how that works. From a technical standpoint, it can go much deeper, but it's almost kind of like you're putting up collateral.
Halal saving Paul, which layer one project do you think is the best other than Ethereum? It should be in the top 30. Well, which one do I think is the best, or which one do I think you can make more money, or which one do I think you should hold?
Great. Those are three different questions.
Right? But let me answer. Other than Ethereum, I would go with Solana, Cosmos, Navax. For various reasons.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay, Shai says, can we go to 30K again because I just started K. Can we go to again? Okay, this wasn't my fault. It was the way you wrote it. Shah, come on, man. All right, can we go to 30,000 again because we haven't broken the 40K level? Yes, of course. Of course we can.
Yeah, there's definitely a possibility.
David Corbett, what do you think of putting only $1,000 and buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin and the pipes drops a price? I can get liquidated in seconds, right? Or do you think there would be a better safe? Yeah, there is a much safer and better way of investing $1,000 in Bitcoin. You know what that is? Not using leverage. That way you can't get liquidated. If you buy $1,000 on leverage, you can get liquidated, get a margin call, and lose your shit. But if you buy $1,000 on Bitcoin, worst case scenario, your Bitcoin is worth less money for the time being. So let's say you have $1,000 of Bitcoin and it goes down 20 or 30% or even 50%, you still have $500. Just hold on to it until it goes up again. Whilst if you are using leverage and you're using an exchange leverage trade, yes, you can get wiped out and not have shit left over. You can make more gains, but chances are you're going to lose your shit. And there's no reason to use leverage on crypto. There is none. There is no reason.
Leverage and margins are a dangerous game if you do not consider yourself a top 10% trader, if you do not consider yourself one of those guys, stay away from that stuff, man.
And you're probably not
and again, only trade what you can lose in those types of scenarios, man. And you please God have stop losses. Jeez Louise.
Shah says, can Luna hit $200 to $300 if the bull market starts? Yes, it can. Luna can hit $200 to $300 easy if the bull market starts. Do you think so? What I'm asking is $1,000 would start to move to bullish markets. The only reason I've never bought Bitcoin because the price is too high. Buy it when it's low and don't worry about it. Just keep it on the side. Because what happens is Bitcoin, if you buy $1,000 in Bitcoin, it's not just about how high Bitcoin can go. It's about how low it can go. Let me explain. You buy $1,000 in Bitcoin, and let's say the market continues to go up. You're part of the market. But let's say the market goes down. Well, Bitcoin will essentially fall less than altcoins. So altcoins will drop, Bitcoin will drop, but you can still buy altcoins with Bitcoin and have a second wind trade, if you will. So Bitcoin is your best bet. Especially if
that's
you
a good way to think of it. That's a very interesting way to look at that. Yeah.
That's what I've been doing, man. That's how I live, bro.
That's nice.
We are going 100% down to 30K lower levels, no doubt. Nothing's ever 100%, but the chances are there. Is BitTorrent a Web3? Oh, is BitTorrent Web 3.0? Will it hit 0.01 cent again after the updated version? I have no idea if it can hit 0.01 cent again. I imagine anything could happen. Anything's possible. I don't know about the update. Haven't really looked into it. I don't know if Derek has any information on this, but I do not know.
Haven't looked into the update on BitTorrent. No,
yeah, that's very interesting. Thoughts on loop ring? Loop ring is actually pretty cool. Once we start, if we go about bull again, loop ring is going to be one to look out for, in my opinion.
Yep.
CRO all the way. I think they will have a quick recovery and jump up higher in the next bull market. Yeah, you know what? CRO is something I'm also waiting to get in on. CRO is crypto.com.
Yeah, they've got some interesting partnerships that they've come up with recently, and you know, they're doing some really awesome stuff. I'll be honest, but their recovery, you know, again, all depends on what's going to be happening with this regulation stuff. But I think that because of the way that they're built, they're going to be strong for a while. Yeah.
Harry ML, do you agree that people who don't take profit aren't able to buy the dip? I don't agree with that, but I will say that people who do take profits have an easier time to buy the dip and have a much easier sleep schedule at night. They sleep better at night.
They do.
What if Bitcoin can't overcome 38,000? Where will support be next? Support is at 35, 36K right now. The next support is the 33K level. Psychological, it's 33.12 something other. I'm not going to open up charts here. Being a VP, oh, this is for you. Hello, I'll say that. Being a VP, you should be overseeing internal operations and stepping in when Paul is unavailable, like do streaming sometimes, maybe. Ooh. So if, for example, one Sunday I can't make it, you can stream the Sunday show.
Interesting turn of events.
Yes, and if you wear your glasses and you come on and I'm not here and you're on your own, people are gonna think it's summertime in Greece or something, man. And I say that like, what the fuck out of the ball? Because you're both wearing the hoodies.
That's funny.
You can put some books in the background.
That would be a heck of a tan, bro.
That would be hilarious.
You know, that's very interesting. I got to get good at this whole streaming thing. You know, we got to get better at this. But I don't see why not. You know.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Yeah,
that's a good idea. Hi, both. Are you guys in the opinion that gaming infrastructures will survive a long-term bear market? I am sure you know which video I'm referring to. I'm not sure which video you're referring to, but if we have a bear market, a lot of this gaming tokens, most of them, are going to go to shit. I think you might be talking about Alex Becker and also Elio Trades and maybe Crypto Banter. I'm not sure about Crypto Banter, to be honest with you. They believe that gaming tokens, they're saying that they're not going to take a hit. They're going to go up in bull market, or at least along those levels. And no, they're going to go to shit. Gaming tokens will go to shit as well. A lot of gaming tokens will disappear. The top ones will probably stay and recover. Maybe they recover a little bit faster, but they're all going to go to hell in the bear market. A prolonged bear market, everything's going to go to shit. Everything. I don't care what you have.
That's what a bear market is.
That's what a bear market is. Exactly. I no disrespect to those YouTubers. I love them, right? I actually watch their YouTube channel. That's why I know it's them saying this. And I do agree with a lot what they say. I just don't agree with this. I just don't.
I think that gaming tokens will hold strong. You know, I think that they have a great use case. But in a bear market, there's not much that survives. Right, exactly. Stable coins are probably going to survive. You'll have things that have stable structures that may survive other tokens, but that's about it. I mean,
wait, Derek,
talk about 0.001%.
Not even that, Derek. There are so many gaming tokens, wannabe gaming tokens, that have no game or plans to make one or know how to make one out there. That
this is true.
80 or 90% of those projects are going to disappear anyway, and the top ones might drop down a little bit less. They might drop 85, 90% or something and make a comeback, but most of them will fucking disappear. There will be none of them left. This hype is bullshit. They're going to go down. They just are. They just are. Right? I work with a gaming company, and we're looking at these projects and we're laughing our ass off.
You know, I'll be honest, after talking with your guys, yeah, I can see why. There's not a lot of people who are actually doing real gaming, and you can see that now.
Igor Blanaru says, hi Paul, feels like the next few hours we might see some upside moves towards 57K mark in this next few days. If not, then 28,000 is coming. I think I can mostly agree with that. Is Sandbox undervalued? No, I think it's overvalued, way overvalued, but that does not mean it cannot go up more. Halal saving, Crypto Factory is not for sale, that's why we love it. Yes, you're absolutely right. So hit that like button. Hit that like button.
Crypto Factor is not for sale. I love this. Yeah. That's awesome, man. Keep that integrity, sir.
People like the giveaway, like the page. I would love to win something. We're going to do another giveaway in 5 minutes. So get a riddle ready if you don't have one, Derek.
Did we get to 100 likes yet?
We're at 59. We're at 59 likes. I don't think we're going to get to 100 likes. But we got to 50. I think we got to 100 likes one time on this channel.
Yeah, that was
on
last,
live stream. That was the last one.
Yeah.
People like the giveaway, like the. Okay, that's the same one. People ignore these stupids. They do. Okay, yeah. Thanks, man. Paul, you be our honest. Yes, I am. Money time candle. No participant. Okay, let me just go down here. Oh, this is where we did the giveaway. So you got up to that point again.
This is going to be a good one. This is mathy. Well, not really. It's not. It's not mathy at all. And there's no numbers. It's not mathy at all. Forget that.
So Igor Blanarus is strange. I have seen the answer before the riddle. That's because there's a latency and there's a delay in the chat. So we went through this over before. We went over this before. There's nothing funny going on. But if you write a comment, here, I'll show you. Just so people can understand this, let me show you something. Right? Watch what I'm going to do. I'm going to take you right to the bottom of the chat right here. So you see Leia saying some Chinese shit right here. I don't know what that is, okay? All right, now, everyone right now click 1, and everyone click number 2. So I'm going to just say number 3 now. I'm going to say number 4 now. I'm going to say number 5. Now, somebody ask any question you want. And let's see, where's number 1? Where's number 2? How much time is passing? See, time is passing, time is passing, time is passing. Nothing's showing up in the chat yet. So as you can see, there's a difference between the chat and there's a difference between, there you go. Now we have number 1 by Melissa. Now we have number 2 by Drake. And I said number 2 a while after I said number 1, but as soon as Melissa wrote number 1, number 2 showed up. Right? Even though I said number 2 after I said push number 1 after a few times. So literally, you can see there's a delay, and sometimes the voice and the chat doesn't respond. It doesn't coordinate. So that's why sometimes you can hear, but you haven't see, but you can see the chat before. It's kind of weird.
Latency. Same thing that happens in blockchains.
Hey Paul, what is your take on basic attention token? Same as before its time. It wasn't going to go up when everyone was saying it was going to go up. It might go up in the next bull run.
That's interesting that you say it's before its time. I think a lot of people don't understand that use case, but yeah, man, it's a great project. It's a really great project, but people have to understand it more, definitely.
Yeah. They have to understand it, accept it, and have social proof.
Right.
Okay, Paul, I got a reply to the text to change my pin. Okay, we already did that. Jasmine appears to be the great project, but performs like a dog. Any thoughts? I don't know what you mean by performs like a dog. My dog is crazy, it's hyper, it's jumping all over the place. And I don't know what Jasmine is anyway, so.
Jazz what?
Jasmine. I guess Jasmine is a coin or something.
Oh, okay.
Shah is asking, will Bitcoin go to 15K, 18K, and Ethereum to 1K? Shah, you keep on asking the same questions, dude. I mean, I've answered all these, brah. I've answered all these on Twitter. I've answered all these in this live stream. Just changing the number by 1,000 or 2 doesn't make a difference, man. Let's see if it holds 30K first, and then we can decide where it goes. Tricky BJJ, I forgot to email. That's okay. You can talk to Kirsten. You can talk to Melissa, I mean. Your prediction on Pulse X. I have no idea. Nobody knows. It's the great experiment, I like to call it. I think it'll do well, though. Shah, if we could get continuous bad news about Bitcoin, will it bottom at $5,000 or more? Again, you're doing it. Okay. $5,000 or more. I don't think Bitcoin will go under 20K. Some people are calling 10K. I don't see it going below that.
To produce one Bitcoin is about $11,000 to $12,000. So it's probably not going to go below that. That's pretty much what you can look at there. And then in regards to it going below 25,000, even below 30,000, they say that this executive order is supposed to come out in February. So we'll find out exactly what happens when that happens.
Yeah, and Shah, that answers your next question. Prediction about Bitcoin, if bull market starts, and when we expect the next bull market start. We'll see. We talked about looking at the technicals. We talked about the news. There's nothing else I can say more about that, Shah. David says, Jasmine, Jasmine is a name. I think we'll do good in 2022 as long as we break 40,000. No, that's the coin as well. I'm a bit confused. Hey, how are you? What's up? Hello. I never написал. Say hi. I never. There you go.
Hey.
It's my Bitbull. This is who the game was. This is the
inspiration.
The inspiration for the game and everything. My baby, here.
Oh wow, that's a good looking dog right there.
Yes. Oh, okay. I love him so much.
Oh,
you gonna answer some with questions? No? Okay.
I'm out. You're asking too much of me, sir.
Exactly. Okay, but that's just common sense. I mean, everything follows Bitcoin, so keep reading all these comments and people asking about this coin. That, yeah, right now, David, I'm just following Bitcoin. I'm doing technical analysis on Bitcoin. I'm not going to do a technical. I was talking about this the other day. What's the point of doing technical analysis on any other coin other than Bitcoin right now? Once Bitcoin starts moving up or down, then we'll see and we can do technical analysis. Okay, this is technical analysis. Bitcoin goes down, others go down more. Bitcoin goes up, others go up more. It only makes sense to look at the other project technical analysis-wise, chart-wise, to see which one's going to outperform the other one. But nothing's going to outperform anything until Bitcoin breaks out or breaks down. So there's no point in doing TA on any of the coin. Most YouTubers out there, all YouTubers out there, they're doing TA on other coins. They're doing it for the search engine, the algorithm, and the views, which is great. I want views too. I'm not on YouTube for anonymity. I just don't see the point of doing TA on other coins right now. Thoughts on CADEX. And hit that like button so we can do the next giveaway. We're at 63 likes. Hit that like button. We'll do the other giveaway in a bit. Thoughts on CADEX. I don't know what CADEX is. So. Cadena, we already answered. And let's do the giveaway right after this one. Any, Derek, any idea on CADEX?
CADEX?
Do you know what CADEX is? Because I have no idea. So if we don't have no idea, there's no point.
I read a lot of stuff, but let me just double check real quick.
All right. Let me drink some water. Here, while you do that, I'll do some Bitcoin ASMR. Check this out. Bitcoin is the best. This is Bitcoin ASMR. Do the hands.
Bitcoin. Oh, so CADEX basically makes
safe food sucks. Sorry?
CADEX makes Cadena free. CADEX. A lot of these apps and solutions that are running on these blockchains are going to do well. Cadena is just a good-looking project. I'll be honest, man. Like, it is, and so a lot of the things going with it are going to look pretty good too.
I'm getting pitbulled.
Yeah, you're being completely annihilated.
He was just like.
He wins again. I'm sure he's undefeated.
Huh?
I said he wins again. I'm sure he's undefeated.
Diaz? Yeah, dude. Diaz happy, man. Tiffes. He's so beautiful. I love him so much. All right, so let's do a giveaway. Come on. Next giveaway.
All right, I'm trying to find this one.
Byte says, can I redeem United Coins into fiat? Real quick.
Yes, you can on unitedcoin.org. Okay, are we ready for the riddle?
Yes.
Okay.
I gotta
ready for
stop.
the riddle?
I'm gonna do it right after this.
What?
Right after this, tomorrow, I'm gonna do a Bitcoin ASMR video and put it on YouTube and see what people say about it.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna write that down. I thought it was hilarious. Bitcoin. I want to make some funny videos. I have fun with videos sometimes. Sometimes I ridicule my own channel. I don't know if you've ever seen my stupid videos, Derek. Like I'll give you an example. You know Gail, right?
Yes.
Gail suggested I read my book on the channel for promotion, right?
Oh,
So I'm like,
awesome.
okay, I'll do it, right? I'll do it. I'll read my book on the channel. So I sat there with my book and just reading it, but inside, I never read it out. I'm like, I don't know how it's gonna help, but okay. So, I don't know if people got it, but I'm like this. I'm like, okay. So Gail is suggesting I read my book, online. Don't know how it's gonna help, but okay.
How long was that video?
I got that video. It was a while ago. It was like last year. I actually did it for both. It was like at the beginning of this channel, and I also did another channel. I did it on my other channel. I can't remember how long I did it, but I only kept like 90 seconds of it. Because I thought, or something like that, because I thought it was like overkill to sit there for an hour. Even though I thought I was going to do it for an hour, and I'm like, it's going to probably destroy my watch time. But maybe I'll do it again. We'll see. But I'm definitely going to do a Bitcoin ASMR video tomorrow. I think it's time you know what? I'm going to do it, dude. I'm going to do a Bitcoin. I swear, I'm going to do a Bitcoin ASMR video. I think it's going to be really good. So wait for that, guys. So subscribe down below and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss the Bitcoin ASMR video. I might even do a SafeMoon ASMR video. As a matter of fact, I could probably do 7 videos and have my whole week with crypto ASMR. And that way I don't have to do any videos this week and still be relevant. All right, let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway.
Riddle time. Okay. This one's going to be a little difficult, so I hear.
That's what you said about the last one.
That's what I said about the last one too, but we'll see. So, A is the brother of B. B is the brother of C. C is the father of D. How is D related to A?
I would love to repeat that, but I think you should do it because I can't remember it.
Okay. A is the brother of B. B is the brother of C. C is the father of D. So how is D related to A?
I'm here like, what? But I know he's thinking, what the fuck, man? All right. Drake Senegal says, son of C. FPB Crypto says, grandfather. Okay. Drake Senegal says, nephew of A. Armir, that was it?
That's right.
Nephew of A.
Right.
Awesome, Drake got it. Drake got it, dude. All right, awesome, Drake. Congratulations. I'm gonna get like a button where it goes and like fireworks and like whoop 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 or some shit like that.
Yeah,
all right.
Whoop, yeah.
So it's Drake Senegal just won, yes? Awesome. So Drake, congratulations. That was the one? Yes. So all you need to do, is booyah, got it, he got it. So what you need to do is put your phone number, your WhatsApp number in the chat, but write FUCK so that only I can see it. Because if you put FUCK next to it, YouTube won't show it. It'll go into review and I have to approve it, which I won't approve. I'll just see your number, send it to Derek, and he'll send you your 500 units right now on your phone. And because United Coin is so cool, your phone number is your actual wallet.
Thank you, Paul.
You're welcome, Derek.
I think we're pretty cool too. So I got a question from someone. They were asking, why did we use phone numbers to make wallets?
Because it's cool.
That, and also because more than 50% of the people in the world don't have smartphones. So in order for them to be able to interact with cryptocurrency, they have to be able to use the phones they have, right? So we made it possible so that they could.
Yep. All right, got his number.
Nice.
Let me just send it to you real quick. Oh, man. So you go. So, sending it to Derek. Now, Derek will send you 10 units for a test first. And then as soon as you get that, tell us so you can send you another 500 units. Right here, right now, this second. Says all you got to do. So tell us as soon as have you sent it yet, bro?
Oh, these phone numbers are long, guy. Yeah. And not just that, the pictures always comes in like a little distorted.
Oh, okay. Well, units are a lot. The units are a lot faster than you typing the number.
Yes, the units are faster than me. 6.
Right. So yeah, I think it's a pretty cool system we have though, like to write your phone number followed by FUCK, so it's hidden, so we can read it and nobody else sees it. You know what? I'm a genius, dude. No one else has like figured that, never thought of this. Everyone's like, do this, do that. I'm like, what's the fastest way we can do this? And there you go. You just write your number, you put FUCK, or anything you want to give us, you just write FUCK, and only we can see it.
Yes.
And if we want to dox you, all I have to do is put approve. Which I won't, because you're cool. What's Bitcoin doing right now? Let me look at my phone. I'll look at my blockfolio while we wait for Derek to type up the number.
Okay, Drake. So we have just begun the sending of your units. It should be in the next 30 seconds or so. Interesting fact, I may have a nephew named Greg soon.
All right, tell us as soon as you get your units. Can I receive it? I'm using Philippines number currently here in the Philippines.
Oh, that's beautiful, man. That's great you're in the Philippines. I actually have a grandmother that's Filipino and 2 uncles that are Filipino.
But you can't get it and you're disqualified. Just kidding. Just kidding.
Yes, it should be coming straight to your phone right now. They're in the Philippines.
I want to make fun. Oh, it's great. Philippines is beautiful. It's great. I have a grandmother. Too bad you get disqualified.
That completely disqualified.
All right. So he got his 10 units. Send him another 500.
Nice.
So what Derek's going to do right now is going to send you another 500 units plus some instructional videos.
Yes.
And with that, as soon as you send them, we had 67 likes here. If you guys enjoyed your content, if you like this content, if you got value from this live stream, or if you had a good time and you laughed and you want to see more of these videos, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that bell notification button so you don't miss the next video. We would love to have you in the Factor fam. We would love for you to be part of the family, and we can chill, we can talk, we answer all questions. I don't think there's any other channel out there that does is just answer every single question that we can and have fun doing it, man. I don't think there's another channel out there.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so you got the 500 units, so you see how fast that was. And with
awesome,
and with that, Derek, do you have anything else to add?
Not really. Maybe look out for some partnerships coming out with United Coin. I look forward to speaking with everyone next Sunday. And you guys have a blessed day and take care.
Awesome. And let me say goodbye as well. Let me call my dog so he can say goodbye. Let's see what happens if I'm in trouble. Let's say I'm in trouble right here, and Derek jumps out the screen and grabs me by the neck, right? Pretend you're grabbing me by the neck, man. All I have to do is say, "Via, prosechi." Prosechi. There you go. Trained by me.
Nice.
So, thank you very much. Love you all. Subscribe down below. Hit the like button. And I will